Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2016 Ram Crew Cab 4x4 Hemi Sport. That's right, it's the Sport. Clear Carfax, passed the 100-point inspection, no problem. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's good nationwide. You can upgrade that very reasonably. Bright white, black leather that's heated and cooled up front. Power seats on both sides. Big touch screen, remote start. Navigation compatible. Has the automatic 4x4, 5.7 foot box, tow package. Remember, we're the dealer with up the outrageous hidden fees. Tires are deep. Oil's just been changed. Power rear slider. Just a nice clean truck. Only 66,000 miles on it. Got the dual exhaust, or simulated dual exhaust anyway. But yep, nice clean truck, one owner, no accidents according to Carfax. Has the Ram Sport hood on it. 20 inch alloys, lots of rubber there. Again, seated Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.